Fellow Dominicans, World AIDS Day has been observed globally and annually on the 1st of December and aims to raise awareness about the dangers of HIV and AIDS. The theme for the 2020 observance of World AIDS Day, which is Global Solidarity, Shared Responsibility, focuses on everyone joining together and acting unitedly in the fight against AIDS and seeks to highlight the vital need for global solidarity and shared responsibility to overcome AIDS, especially in this time of COVID-19. When World AIDS Day is commemorated every year, people around the globe unite to show support for people living with and affected by AIDS, and also remember those who lost their lives due to this disease. HIV, as we know, weakens the immune system so that it loses its capacity to ward off common infections. This weakening of the immune system, termed immunodeficiency, can result in complications for someone diagnosed with AIDS, as well as death from co-infections. For the past decade and a half, the World Health Organization has set a target of reduction in HIV infection. The aim is to achieve the following: 90% of persons infected should know their status. 90% of these HIV-infected persons should be on antiretroviral therapy and 90% of persons who are on should be virally suppressed, which is the 90-90-90 target. HIV and AIDS still remain major global health issues, and COVID-19 and related protocols have caused some disruption in the areas of diagnostics, prevention, treatment, and access to other healthcare services being provided to HIV patients. However, there have been significant accomplishments in combating this disease, especially in the areas of diagnostics, prevention, and treatment. These include pre-exposure prophylaxis or PrEP, self-testing, post-exposure prophylaxis, as well as limited vertical transmission from mother to child. In spite of these achievements, there remain challenges that are still related to this illness, and hence we must continue the required actions that will assist us in managing this disease. We must be cognizant of what has to be done, and precautionary measures must be taken. A collaborative effort is of utmost importance in reaching the milestone of achieving the 90-90-90 target and the elimination of AIDS by 2030, and this we can do through a community-based approach. The WHO has called on all leaders and citizens to rally for global solidarity to overcome the challenges posed by COVID-19 on the HIV response, to include renewing the fight to end HIV and to use innovative HIV services to ensure continued HIV care. The Ministry of Health, Wellness and New Health Investment encourages all persons with a positive HIV test result to seek help, get enrolled in care, give yourself a chance of living a satisfactory and better quality of life by getting the clinical care through treatment and proper psychosocial support. The Ministry, through the National HIV and AIDS Response Program, NHARP, has seen the development of the Vulnerable Population Strategy and will continue to raise awareness and education about HIV and AIDS. The Ministry will also continue to provide free medication for persons infected with the disease and to support the Treat All initiative. All over the world, health workers and community representatives are doing their utmost to keep services going, adopting innovative ways to overcome disruptions in services caused by COVID-19. Whilst we care for our clients, the Ministry will not lose sight of the significant role the staff of the National HIV/AIDS Response Program is playing in trying to achieve the 90-90-90 target. I take this opportunity to salute you all at this time and extend deepest appreciation for your dedication and commitment, especially during this period. With the Ministry playing its part, we encourage everyone to play their part. Grounding our responses in human rights and gender-responsive approaches is crucial to ending the colliding pandemics of HIV and COVID-19 on a global basis. Today, December 1, 2020, Dominica therefore joins WHO, PANCAP, and other local and regional partners in paying tribute to all those working to provide HIV services. We also call on all citizens to rally for global solidarity and shared responsibility as we fight as one, not only to eliminate HIV and AIDS, but also to continue to care for HIV and AIDS diagnosed persons during this COVID-19 pandemic and beyond. Thank you.